Hi everyone, welcome to the third section of this lesson. In this video we're going to look at how to mount and unmount volumes using system D with automount unit file. In the previous video we looked at how to do this using the mount unit file, alright? And quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the SUSE Linux exam or the LFCS exam, just scroll to the top of this website and click on the exam practice question. I'm going to be dropping the link to the website in the description section below so that you can easily navigate. Just as we did when we created mount unit file, alright, so this time around too, we're also going to mount the volume std, okay, and we're going to mount it on the mount point / technique. And the first thing you need to do is to create the mount unit file in the recommended directory, which is the etc system D system. Alright, so the mount unit file we first created was the technique.mount. okay, so I'm just going to write on this, and if you look at the content we have here, you can see that we already defined the parameters in this unit file. So when you define the parameters in the mount unit file, the second step you need to do is to create the automount unit file that corresponds with the mount unit file. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to be needing this, okay, and I'm going to create the automount unit file, which is I'm going to call this technique.automount, okay, so don't forget it needs to correspond with the mount unit file. But for the newbies, this is what I'm just doing. I'm just doing the same thing by writing the full part. Alright, so what I'm creating this file, this automount file in this directory, but this is the full part, okay. So this is going to be technique.automount, okay. So let me just copy this here. The unit, the description this time around, we're going to be doing auto mounting with the system D, and this is going to be auto mount. Alright, and this since this is auto mount, we only need where, which is going to be on technique. Alright, and the type is ext4, and the target is the multi-user.target. So this is fine. We're going to save this file. And now to mount the volume, we need to start the technique.mount service. Alright, so we cannot verify if the service is started. So you can see that the service is started, and you can see where it is mounted and what device it is. Alright, and to confirm that also you can use your df-h. You can see that it is mounted on /technique. The volume std is mounted on /technique. Alright, and to make it persistent, you can enable the service by doing systemctl start, just as we did in the previous, enable, just as we did in the previous video. Alright, and to make it not persistent, you can also disable the service. Alright, okay, and to unmount the volume or to stop the service, you use the command systemctl stop technique.mount. Alright, so you cannot verify if the device is still mounted, so you can see that the device is not mounted anymore. Alright, so that's why I said if you want to use either the mount or the auto mount file, it depends on your preference, okay. I mean, it depends on whichever method you like. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.